Right, welcome to the new camera. I think it makes everything look a bit grey, but the quality should be fantastic. There is a microphone with it, but I'm not wearing it because there's only one, so you won't be able to hear what the other chaps are saying, but we'll give it a good run anyway. See how we get on. For anybody wondering, it's a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I got to find some grease guns.
You need to do the grass as well, don't we? Yep, I'll leave it. Just turn this back. And get in the way of the port. What's the no rack up there? My end, as of Friday.
You're an annoying man. Right, grease gun acquired, along with some gloves. My hands are already filthy. The milk was picked up this morning. It's gone up another couple hundred litres, so 19,500 litres sold over the last 4 milkings, so 2 days. Not bad. Cows are doing a good job. Well done, girls. I'm about to get run over. Go, Richard, go. Oh, look at that new rubber. There's only whatever is in here.
That's not what I said.
What did you say? Are we doing that? Doing a grab? Let's do the shit grab. Now, are you ready for this? Look, watch. Press this button. Oh my god. Did you see that? Oh.
So get the grease gun.
Right.
Why don't we jab that car? Good idea.
What am I going to do this now? So I forget.
Yes. We'll have calves on the loose. Oh, calves.
Why were they last weekend?
I'm amazed they've not got out, to be fair. I mean, look at it.
Yeah, they know what they're doing. Look after them so well, we'll see.
Grazing a lovely bit of straw. Still don't really know how this camera works. That's the zoom. I don't want to zoom. What do you reckon now? They'll just find another gap.
I don't know. They haven't really gone to town on any other bales.
No.
I mean, it did on those
On the barley ones. Yeah.
So barley, but the rest are all a bit cladding. So.
Right, Trevor.
Good for eating barley. Don't like the taste of them, so don't eat their way out. Yeah.
Now we're going to lick your gate to death.
Something new?
Right. I brought down 4 cartridges.
4?
I put 2 in the office so that next time we're in this situation we've got some down it. But that was it, what was left in the box of it.
That's all the grease gone, is it?
Well, I think there's a new box on top shelf.
Okay.
I emptied the old box. Remember, greasing is a 2-man job. Say dairy farmers don't look after kittens, if you can't when greasing is pulled off.
I've done all I can.
It's not really your fault.
Which dog. Yeah.
God, listen to it. You've never had grease before.
Okay.
Right then, everyone. One here somewhere.
Feels like it should have 2, you know, like you should pinch them. Like it feels like you should like go 2.
See. Right, look at that.
Like in the 2 on 2.
Felt like azalea beds. Oh, look at this, we've got a bit of sunshine. Very, very nice. I've just stuck the microphone on here to see if the audio is any better. Hopefully it is. But I've just been home and had lunch. Coming back to do a bit of milking this afternoon. Come back a few minutes early because I wanted to show you what we've been doing this morning. So this morning I was up on top of the clamp here. It took off the heavy sheet and the film, which is this stuff, plastic. Looks a bit like cling film. Took that off, took the black sheet off because you can't really see from here, but there's half a bay left of grass and maize. So Rob's going to plough through that tomorrow and Friday morning. Most of that will be gone. By the weekend it'll pretty much all be gone. And then we'll get back into just the maize in that pit and the grass in the pit behind me there. This one will be empty. So that's what we've been doing. We've been greasing up machinery. We fixed this because one of the skids had fallen off. So that is a replacement skid on the bottom of there, that bit of metal. And we took the one off of here as well. And we need to get another one. So I think Rich has been up to the garage to get Kev to make one. And yeah, just been doing stuff really. Rob's just got back, so I better go and help him push some cows out. Oh, cow. Juno. Come on, cozies. What's that? What, he stops AI and then just says,
The spring then?
I don't want to carve in the spring.
No, I don't want to.
Let's go flying herd. Oh, wait. Come on then, cows. Oh, look, a friendly one. Oh, yes. Is that good? Hello, cow. What are you doing? Yeah, do nothing else, yeah. Oh, hello. Hello. Milking time, cow. Right, sports fans, we are just peeling back the silage sheet. Richard's up there, just cutting it now. We'll get rid of these tyres on our lovely tyre pile here. I think Rob's been taking them around the side here. Oh, I dropped one. I'll have to move that. He's been taking them around here. That way the lorry can still get in with the sand. We'll pick that one up in a minute. Now I think there's a bit of waste on the corner of the pit, so we're going to have to go and fork that off in a minute. I'll let Rich chuck the sheet down a minute. Chuck that in the bucket? Or just chuck it on the floor then?
I'll get you move it over there, Josh.
Yeah.
Up there.
And on that corner.
Move there, so if you just stick your sheet on.
Right, there's 3 little spots I just want a bit of forking doing. It's interesting, at the bottom of the pit there, look, there's a big old pile of wheat. A little bit over there. You can just about make out some of the seams of it throughout the pit. It should work out somewhere in the region of 1 kilo of wheat per cow per day, I think. And then the rape seed, or the rape meal I should say, not rape seed. Rape meal should be about 2 kilos, and then the rest is in the parlour. Should get 5 kilos of cake at the moment. So altogether that's 8 kilos of concentrate, and that's returning us somewhere in the region of 28 litres of milk, along with the maize and the grass on top. Pretty good, I think, considering current stage of lactation. Most of them are in calf. Yeah, hopefully we can maintain that until cows go out, and then we'll get that spring flush of grass. We can obviously drop the TMR out of the diet and just keep them on grass and cake, and just keep them going as long as we can. Well, he wants to come and... Oh. Brush, brush, brush. Here are heifers, some lovely food.
There goes the new improved Juno.
Yeah.
The only thing is he has days off.
God.
That's a drawback.
Yeah, so does the other Juno.
No, he just has an hour off.
Really?
And we decided to drive him back to his stick.
Take me back and find my strip and find my charge point.
Yes.
Right, folks, I know there's not been an awful lot going on in the video. But it's just that sort of time of year we're a little bit quiet. All sort of trying to take the chance to have a bit of a time off before spring gets going and we get busy with outside jobs like fencing and whatnot. So Abby's actually been off this week. Rob's away today. I'm off next week. Hopefully going to go and see a friend of mine on their farm, which you'll probably see on here. I don't need a hat on. It's quite warm. Just a quick note to say, I've been getting on really well with these dry cuffs. They are so far the best thing that I've had for stopping my arms getting mucky whilst milking, which is a problem that some people don't think exists, but I like clean arms. And this bib again is really good, apart from they split on the neoprene cuffs. But yeah, dry cuffs. I think Grass Tech and Data Mars sell them. Look them up if you want some. Really good for the money. No complaints. But I'm going milking. I'll tell you what, This is pretty good in the dark, this camera. Look at that. I mean, the shed lights are on. You can even see me. God, look at that. Yeah, I'm sorry this has not been the most entertaining video going. It's sort of a bit quiet at the moment. We're trying to have a bit of time off each, so we're sort of just pottering along doing whatever needs doing and trying to do bits and pieces in between. Like, I wanted to go plate metering today, but you'll see why I couldn't do that in the next video. We had a cake delivery earlier, so that's come today. That was another little thing that happened earlier. We're a bit later finishing tonight because of that. The lorry was sort of sat beside the bin there when we wanted to get the cows out, but it's only once every so often that happens, so we don't really worry about that. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the quality of the new camera. I'm certainly enjoying using it. It's far smaller than a GoPro, so much less clunky, and so far so good with the batteries. The mic seems pretty good from what I've put on my computer and listened to. From me and the cows, we'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.